Hello guys, today we're ranking Monster Jam games tier list. If who should prefer S or the D tier? Let's find out. It's the first ever Monster Jam Maximum Destruction. Also, putting the B tier. Okay, it was so horrible, badly moves. Lose health, have that much more than you want. Also, the next one is Monster 4x4 Master Metal. It's a second Monster Jam games. I'm gonna put in D C tier. Yeah. Also, earliest start game is Monster Jam 2007. It's amazing. I'm gonna put in this tier. Also, let's find out. First up of my favorite game is Monster Jam Urban Assault. It's a fourth game. Also, I'm gonna put in S tier. Is my favorite. First off, Monster Jam Path of Destruction was fit Monster Jam games. I'm gonna put in this A tier. Oh yeah, I'm gonna come back later. And here there's Monster Jam on the mobile in 2014. Also, I'm gonna put in C tier. Oh, so stupid. First off, Battlegrounds. That unlike Monster Jam, Monster 4x4, Masters of Metal. What's the horrible move? Have her mobile version, but it immediately gone. First up, Monster Jam Crush It. Good the A tier. Let's find out. First up, my favorite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8. It is 8 Monster Jam. 4 Monster Jams left in, and it's S tier. Is Monster Jam Shield Tanks 2. Putting this C tier. It's my favorite. Monster Jam Showdown Leo. Put in S tier. That is my worst. Monster Jam Extreme Minion D tier. Yeah. Oh, thanks you for watching my comments, my video. Get out here, ad.